Well, there are 15 species of cranes found worldwide, and they're all big, spectacular birds like these sandhills. There's just one other species of crane in North America. That's the huge white whooping crane. It's one of the rarest birds anywhere in the world. In fact, some decades ago, the population of whooping cranes was down to about 20 birds known to exist anywhere. Now, the total population is still very small, less than 350 birds, but a great recovery thanks to protecting the habitat of the cranes, popularizing people's knowledge of them so people know not to hunt for these birds. So through this protection, their numbers are slowly increasing. An interesting thing about sandhill cranes is that fossils nearly identical to these birds that we're watching out here date, according to the fossil remains, back to 10 million years ago. Makes this possibly the world's longest surviving species of birds. Especially interesting in that regard is the fact that sandhill cranes almost didn't make it, because during the last century they were headed for extinction. Overhunting and loss of the wetlands where they live and breed was the reason. By 1930, for example, there were less than 25 breeding pairs of sandhill cranes in the entire state of Wisconsin. Then came protection from hunting, then came preservation of the remaining wetlands that they needed. It saved those birds, and in fact, in 1990 there were over 11,000 sandhill cranes counted in the state of Wisconsin and parts of the adjoining states. Today's sandhill cranes are one of the most successful and abundant crane species anywhere in the world, with a total population of more than 650,000 birds. Well, we've got quite a bunch of them out here in the meadow right now, apparently completely unaware of me, most of them still resting calmly, another group just flying in, sort of setting their wings and sailing down, dropping those long legs and kind of running to a stop, joining into one of the flocks of cranes out here.